Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set daily time limits for websites on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Screen Time. Next, tap on App Limits. And then in here, tap on Add Limit. Now put in the screen time passcode. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Websites. Now tap on Add Website. Then put in the web address that you want to add in a time limit. So here, let's say I'm going to put in roblox.com and then tap on Done. And if you want to add in more website, continue to add in more website. .games.com and then Done, and then tap on Next at the top. Now set a time limit for those websites and then tap on Add, and that's it. So you can see now we have set a time limit for the app for those selected websites. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.